Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like skincare, makeup, fragrance, real people, and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. So today, y'all, is all about my skincare tray for this week. So I decided to start doing a skincare tray because I really just want to start focusing in on some products that I want to really give a good try. I've been getting stuff in PR, so I want to try that. I've been buying stuff, so I want to try those. And I want to just kind of use some stuff up that I've had for a while. So now I'm doing a weekly skincare tray. I have been using this for a whole entire, I've actually been using this tray for 2 weeks, so I want to make sure I was going to stick with it before I brought it to y'all. So let's talk about what's on the tray and how I liked it, and yeah, let's get into it. So we're going to start in the order in which you wash your face. My girl Sheree Del Sol would be so proud of me because I'm not all over the place. I'm being a little organized today, okay? And first we're going to start with this by Coco Kind. This is their oil to milk cleanser. If you watch my skincare videos, you know that I've been talking about this and talking about how I do not like it. I'm finally finished with it, y'all. Finally. Yeah, I don't like it because it does have that like thick, super thick Vaseline texture. It's not pleasing to rub on your face. It doesn't remove waterproof makeup well. It's just not pleasant to use. Like, I just don't like it. It's just a struggle to rub it on your face. It's just way too stiff and I don't like it. Thank God it's finally gone. It seemed like it took me forever and a day to use this up. So finally I can put it in the empties. The next one I've been using is this one by Fenty. This one is the Melt Off Jelly Oil Makeup Melting Cleanser. So I've been using this. I like the packaging because you open it down here, you push the button down here, and it comes out. This also is kind of like a Vaseline mixed with a jelly type of texture. It's a lot smoother and a lot more pleasant to use than that Coco Kind one. It melts into the skin really nicely. It's a little stiffer than an actual cleansing balm, but it's definitely way better than that one. So I do still like the texture of it. It removes makeup pretty good, and it leaves my face feeling like, okay, it's ready for, you know, your cleanser. So I don't feel like I need to keep applying it or keep using it, because once I use it once, it's pretty good about removing the makeup. If I have on like super duper tough makeup, then I might go over my eyes again, but I really haven't had to do that, and it takes off my lashes and everything really quickly. So I've been liking it so far. Next we have cleansers. So this one is on here. This is just a little sample from Dermalogica. This is the special cleansing gel, and it's okay. It's not anything that I was like, ooh, this is so wonderful, I want a full bottle of it, but it was okay. It was just a nice gentle type of cleanser, something I was using in the morning to test out to see if I like it. I liked it, but I didn't love it, so it's just okay. Next is my exfoliating cleanser. This is by Elemis. This is the Dynamic Resurfacing Face Wash. So this is for anti-aging, and this is a product that I will say sneaks up on you. And reason why I say that, because when I first started using this is like probably like my third bottle of this. But when I first started using this, I was using it every night, and I was like, why is my skin so dry? Why is it peeling? I did not even understand that this is really resurfacing your skin. So this is something you only need to use maybe 2-3 times a week, because it really does resurface your skin. It's super gentle though. Like, it's so gentle when you put it on your skin. It has fragrance in it that kind of smells like kind of shampoo-y. So if you don't like fragrance, you wouldn't want to try this, but it's so gentle on the skin. It just feels like a nice creamy cleanser. You think nothing of it. Don't use it on your eyes, girls, because it'll exfoliate your eyes and everything. So this is something I just went to using 2 to 3 times a week as a nice exfoliating cleanser at night. This cleanser by Selfless by Hyram, this is the Centella and Green Tea Cleanser. This is just a nice simple gel cleanser. I think it's good for morning cleansing. I don't think it's good for at night. I don't feel like it deep cleans my skin enough or removes makeup well enough for me, so I like to just use this in the daytime, in the morning. So I'm almost done with this. I want to go ahead and use this up. This is no longer in Sephora, and it's not something that I love enough that I'm like, oh, I gotta go to the website and get it, but it does have a nice gel texture. It's great for sensitive skin because it's so gentle. So if you have sensitive skin, this is definitely something you can try. And the last cleanser is this one by Youth to the People. This is their Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser, and y'all know this is a holy grail for a whole lot of people, and I love it just as much too. So this is the cleanser that I would use at night, like on nights I've been wearing makeup, or just at night when I'm not using the Elements cleanser. So this is the one that I would use, and I just like the way it cleanses my face. Your face feels clean but not super stripped. Now I personally don't mind cleansers that actually strip your skin at night, especially on nights that I'm wearing makeup. I want my face to be like deep cleanse, but this one doesn't strip your skin, but your face still feels really clean when you use this. So I like this. I will continue to use this and buy this because it's a really good cleanser and it helps keep my skin nice and clear, so I like it. On nights that I wear makeup, I like to put a mask on my face after I've cleansed my face. So I've been using this one by Origins. This is their active charcoal mask, the clear improvement mask. This one is just okay. I really don't love it, so I want to go ahead and use it up. I think I got like maybe 2 more uses in this and then I'll be done with it. It's just okay. My skin doesn't feel more cleaned out, you know, cleaned out and clear when I use it. It has decent like it leaves my skin feeling soft and like somewhat moisturized, but I want it to be like more deep clean, you know what I mean? So this is just okay. I would not repurchase this and I want to use it up. Okay, so I have 2 toners on the tray. One is by Origins. This is the Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. It's called a treatment lotion, but it's definitely a regular watery type of toner. I like to use this because when I'm using like retinols or I've exfoliated, then I like to use this to keep my skin calm, not so red, and if my skin feels irritated, then I like to use this because it really does soothe my skin. I forgot to mention this. This is by NUIT. This is the Lemonade Detox Glow and Micro Peel. So I like to still physically exfoliate my face. I probably physically exfoliate my face probably once every 2 weeks or so. I just like to keep my skin texture kind of smooth, and that this helps with that for me, and it also helps with hyperpigmentation fading. So I like to use these, and this one is like definitely like a peel. The granules feel kind of like sand, like you kind of like rubbing sand on your face, you know, of course inside of a creamy solution, and you feel the dead skin like coming up off your face, off your lips, and all of that. So I really like this because it does give me that dead skin peel. So back to toners. This one by Frag. This is the one that I will use at night because it's an exfoliating toner. It has lactic acid. It's actually a gentle exfoliating toner. So if you're looking for one that is gentle, definitely give this a try because it's really not that strong. I've used stronger ones that I like. You know, I like high percentage AHAs and BHAs and all of that for me, but everybody's skin can't handle that. I think this one is nice and gentle, and I love this toner because it gives me instant gratification, because when I use it, it gives my skin like this icy cool feeling. I think it's from the Cactus Water. This is their Cactus Water and lactic acid toner. Sorry, I meant to say that. But yeah, so I like when I put this on and my skin has that icy cool feeling. So I love using this at night. Another mask that I need to use up is this one by Beauty of the Horn. This is a black owned brand, and this is Conceal Powder. So this is something that you mix with water and you put it on your face. It has a really slimy texture, so you can't really rub it on your face because it'll just move it around. So you kind of have to like tap it on your face. And yeah, and it does help with acne and anti-aging and hyperpigmentation, and it really is a good mask. But I want to go ahead and use it up because I've had this for a while, and because the fact that you have to mix it up, yeah, the inconvenience, I just don't want to do that anymore. So I just want to go ahead and use this up. I have to look on her website to see if she has some that are already made up, but I don't think so, because I think this is a powder or an ingredient that once you mix it up, you need to go ahead and hurry up and use it. Like, you can't just really store it for long or whatever. So I don't know, I have to check because I've had this for so long. But yeah, I want to go ahead and use this up. Okay, for serums, this one by Pacifica. This is their vegan collagen complex serum. This is just okay. It has decent moisture. It's not terrible, but it's not like my favorite either. It has like a kind of a thick you know, kind of texture, and it has a weird kind of smell to it, but it's just okay. I haven't really found skincare products from them that I love yet, but this one is okay. This was sent to me in PR, and like I said, it's okay. It's not something that I like want to purchase. This vitamin C by Butter Skin, love this, love this. I did a sponsored reel for them. They sent this to me, and I have been loving this. I love the way it feels on my skin. I love the way it looks on my skin. If you are a person that likes a vitamin C serum and with a glow, this one by Butter Skin is so good. What I will say though, if you're not a girl like me, like I use a lot of skincare. So if you're a person that you open one vitamin C serum and you use that up till it's gone, then this would be good for you. But since I jump around and bounce around to so many different types of products, that this one is starting to oxidize, so I want to go ahead and hurry up and use it before it goes bad. I should have left it in my skincare fridge and I didn't. I don't know why. But this is such a good vitamin C serum. Definitely a favorite for me. So I would actually purchase this one with my own money. This niacinamide 20% treatment by Paula's Choice. Love this. I love that it's 20%. I like the high concentration for sure. I know there's a lot of other niacinamide, you know, formulas out there that are more affordable. And I don't know, it's just something about this one. I just really, really like it. This was sent to me by the brand, but I do see me purchasing this one with my own money. I'm almost done with it, so I do want to go ahead and use this up. So yeah, this is a good niacinamide treatment. The last serum on the tray is by Elemis. This is their Superfood Cica Calm Hydration Juice. Love this stuff. I have bought so many bottles of this, but not so many bottles. This is probably like my third bottle of this, but I love this stuff. It's so good. It's so hydrating, so moisturizing. This is a daytime serum, so this is something you only want to wear in the daytime, and it just really calms your skin. It really protects your skin barrier. Like, you really feel like it's protecting your skin. It tingles a little bit when you first put it on, so I love that, like, tingle, instant, you know, gratification type of thing. But the tingle doesn't stay the whole time. It's just like as soon as you put it on, you feel it cooling and tingling. It's super hydrating, nice glow on your skin. I just love this stuff. This is by Selfless by Hyram. This is their retinol and rainbow algae serum. So this is okay. This is not a bad retinol serum. I feel like this is more for beginners. I feel like this is for people with sensitive skin and people that are just getting started with retinol. So I think this is a good serum for that. You know, it's really gentle, you know, and I feel like it doesn't irritate my skin at all, and I don't feel like it would really irritate anybody's skin because it's so gentle. It's like so gentle you can use this like literally every night. Like, it's that gentle. So if you're just starting off with retinols, you can definitely give this one a try, or if you have very sensitive skin, try this. So I have two eye creams that I have been using. This one was sent to me by the brand. This is by Osea, and this is their Ocean Eye. So this is like a serum that you use, and it has like a roller ball, and you kind of have to make sure the water roller ball is moving before you start tugging it on your skin up under your eyes, because you don't want it to be dry and you just start tugging. And it's a super watery serum. So I've been using this, and this watery serum really soaks into your eyes really quickly, and it's okay. It doesn't feel like it's the most moisturizing thing ever, but it's just okay. Then you top it off with the eye cream. Now, I do actually like the eye cream. I feel like they work well together, of course, but I do like this. I feel like this does leave my under my eyes nice and moisturized when I use this. So this I've been liking so far. I've been, of course, using them together. I haven't used this without this, but I'm sure this will work without this. And the other eye cream I have is by Tula, and this is their Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Y'all have seen this on my channel if you've been watching my skincare videos for a while now. I am trying to get through it, girl. I'm like right here, so it's almost gone. I like to use this at night. It does have a like cooling effect when you put it on your eyes, and I just rub it on like a lot of times, and it'll leave like a blue cast on your eyes, but you can just tap that in and it'll go away. But yeah, I like it because it has like that cooling feeling under your eyes, and it's just easy to use. You just rub it on and go. So for moisturizers, my daytime moisturizer has been this one by Freck, and this is called Rich Bitch. And to be honest, like, this is their cactus water and vitamin C moisturizer. I don't like the packaging at all, and I don't like the texture of it. It's so stiff and thick, and it takes a minute to melt onto your skin, actually melt into your skin. Now when it's in there, your skin does have a nice glow. It looks moisturized and all of that, but it's just so much effort to get it in there that and then I just hate this packaging, like hate this packaging. So they definitely need to put this in a better package, and they also need to make the formula more smooth and creamy. But I do absolutely love the fact that it has that cactus water in there and the vitamin C. So once I use this up, I would not repurchase though. My nighttime cleanser has been this one by Elemis. This is their Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This was sent to me by the brand, and I have been liking it. It's nice, moisturizing. I like the texture of it. It's like nice, creamy, somewhat a little balmy, not super balmy, but like if you could feel like it has like a balm in there, locks in the moisture, and it just feels good on my skin. Yeah, so I do like this. This is the first time I've been using their cream, so I'm still, you know, trying to see how if I love it. I do like it. I like it a lot, and I'm just gonna keep using it to see how I feel when it's gone. I'll definitely let y'all know. On nights that I'm not wearing retinol, because this does not vibe with my retinol, it makes it peel. So nights I'm not wearing retinol, and I'll use my recovery treatment oil from Malin and Goetz. It soaks into the skin a little bit, but it kind of sits on top a little bit too. So, you know, you kind of have to either work it into your skin or put a couple drops in your moisturizer, and then you won't get that, you know, sitting on top of your skin type of effect. But it's an okay oil. I'm not in love with it, but I don't hate it either. Last is sunscreen. I didn't talk about sunscreen, but of course I've been wearing sunscreen. I have 2 on my tray. This one is by Burst. This is the Guards Up Daily Mineral Sunscreen. I really don't care for this. It has a tint to it, so, you know, but it does soak into the skin to where it doesn't have a white cast, of course, because it's that tinted color. I don't know, but with my sunscreens, I like to have more of a glow and a more of a, like, you know, youthful type of look, and I feel like this is not really glowy. It's kind of matte. So if you're somebody that likes more of a matte type of sunscreen, I would say try this. This is definitely affordable, and you can even use my coupon code to even get more money off of it. But it's just okay. This is SPF 35, and it is a zinc oxide sunscreen, so if that matters to you, and it has fennel seed and moringa seed extract in it, so it's nice, and it wasn't terrible. It didn't, you know, it played well fine with my other products and everything. I just didn't like it to be so matte for me. So the other one that I have been using and have been loving is this one by Dermalogica, and this is their Dynamic Skin Recovery. This is SPF 50, and I have been loving this one. This one soaks into the skin. It just kind of melts in. It plays well with all my skincare, and it gives me like a nice glow. Love this sunscreen. So I have been really reaching for this one more than that one. Last 2 products are lip products. So first one I have been using in the daytime. This one is by Image Skincare, and this is their Ormetic Balancing Lip Enhancement Complex. And I've been loving this for daytime. It just feels like a nice balm. It's not like lip gloss or anything, but it does give you kind of a little bit of a shine too. Not much, more of a balm. And then last is this one by City Beauty. Y'all know I love me some City Beauty products. This one was sent to me, and this is their night oil. So this actually, I thought it was going to be more like an oil, but it's really not. It's really like a gloss, really. And it just feels like, you know, just smooth. It has like a lemony scent to it, and I just have been liking this at night. It just feels good on my lips at night, and when I wake up in the morning, my lips still feel nice and soft and hydrated. So I do like this night oil. So that is everything on my skincare tray for this week. So hopefully you guys will see me next week to see what I put on my skincare tray, see what I've been loving and see what I'm not loving, and all of that, because y'all know I'm gonna always keep it real with y'all. So if you are a skincare lover, let me know some skincare products that you've been loving this week. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.